Welcome to Only Pay. In this video, we will talk about the future of work and how it will be affected by technology and automation. Advancements in technology are happening at a rapid pace, and it is important to understand how they will impact the way we work in the job market. This video will cover the potential consequences, both positive and negative, of these advancements and what we can expect in the future. The new automation of the next few decades, with much more advanced robotics and artificial intelligence, AI, will widen the range of tasks and jobs that machines can perform and have the potential to cause much more worker displacement and inequality than older generations of automation. This can potentially affect college graduates and professionals much more than in the past. Indeed, the new automation will eliminate millions of jobs for vehicle drivers and retail workers, as well as those for healthcare workers, lawyers, accountants, finance specialists, and many other professionals. The impact of automation on job displacement. It is no secret that automation and technology are replacing many jobs that were once done by humans. From manufacturing to retail, many industries are seeing a shift towards automation. This can lead to job displacement and unemployment, particularly for workers in low-skilled jobs. It is important to note that the impact of automation on job displacement will vary depending on the industry and the type of job. The creation of new job opportunities. While automation may lead to job displacement in some industries, it is also likely to lead to the creation of new job opportunities. For example, the rise of automation in manufacturing has led to a demand for workers with skills in computer programming and data analysis. Similarly, the growth of e-commerce has created a need for workers with expertise in digital marketing and web development. Increased productivity and economic growth. One of the most positive effects of automation and technology is that it leads to increased productivity. This can lead to economic growth and improved living standards. However, it is important to note that the benefits of increased productivity may not be evenly distributed, and some workers may be left behind. Remote work and flexibility. Technology is also enabling more people to work remotely. This can have a positive impact on work-life balance and reduce commute times. Remote work can also increase flexibility for both employers and employees. The importance of education and training. To prepare for the future of work, it is important for workers to continuously update their skills and knowledge. Education and training can help workers to develop the skills that are in demand in the job market. Governments, employers, and workers themselves must take actions to ensure that workers have access to the education and training they need to succeed in the future. In conclusion, the future of work and how it will be affected by technology and automation is a complex and multifaceted topic. While there are certainly potential negative consequences, such as job displacement and inequality, there are also many potential positive consequences. It is important for workers to continuously update their skills and knowledge, and for governments and employers to invest in education and training. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates on the future of work and technology.